piecing apart every little micro step spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually that I kind of had to understand in myself and kind of gain some skills around to be able to move through it. And my work facilitated that because eventually, I got more and more involved in 12-step, and then the foundation I was doing work with asked me to be on their board and then help run women's retreats, and then they asked me to be the executive director, and then I was writing a recovery manual for them. And at the same time, I'm a fitness instructor and so I'm also recognizing and experiencing how trauma and my body are totally connected, and that my body is a tool to process this trauma. And then my 12-step sponsor is a yoga and meditation teacher. So then I'm introduced to yoga and meditation, and it all felt so synergistic.
I was going to say, and step by step as well.
Yes.
Like you're brought to these different levels.
Very like line upon line, it felt so guided. I mean, the journey for me has felt so guided to the exact people and tools to create a really clear understanding of what healing is inside of us, and the kind of circumstances gave me the opportunity to really become a very deep dive student of that. And I could see in myself, and as I worked with the foundation and my people one-on-one, that there was something really valuable that I had gained that could be very helpful to others who are in that position, who, they didn't have to have everything line up the way I had, because I could give them the gifts of that.
Right.
Yeah.
The tools and the tangible steps and the things like that.